A new study claims that if U.S. parents unloaded and locked up all of their guns, then 1/3 of gun suicides and accident deaths among children and teens could be avoided. The study was published Monday in the journal JAMA Pediatrics. They look at household data on gun ownership from 2015 to create a simulation model that predicts the probability of various outcomes. The study concluded that 50 more teens and children would be alive today if guns had been stored in the way they're recommended to be stored during that year. I'm Ken Molestina for CBS Local News.